How to use Instagram blend feature in DMs. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Let me guide you through quick and easy and how you can use Instagram blend feature in DMs. Well, to use Instagram blend feature in DMs, you want to proceed to open up Instagram first. Once you open up Instagram, you want to head over to the chat section, and from there you want to head into the particular DMs. Once you head into the particular DMs, from the top you'll find these various options. You can tap on the username there at the top, the profile, and you should be able to see the blend option there. So blend reel option. If you're unable to see it right there now, for instance, let me show you here. You should find the blend feature at the top of your screen as well. So if it is not available, it is because of the version of your account or the application itself. Now I'm saying this because I know it. So if I head over to the another account, if I switch to the other account in the same application, in the same region, just now I switched the account and I head over to the chats and I head over to the DMs, you can see the blend feature is right there. So you can see it is not available, it says, but it's the logo is there. In my previous account, the logo itself is not available as well. So it depends on the reason you are in and the account you are using. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.